Mr. Speaker, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am actually interested in talking about the statement that has been raised by Hezena on the regulatory oversight and patient safety in pharmaceutical practice in Kenya. Mr. Speaker, this matter is very weighty. The reason for that is that if you talk to many of the people who run hospitals, and including even in some of our counties where the hospitals are essentially sometimes running on their own, the problem that is there is that we do not have a very strict, standardized approach to how we handle medicines. We don't have a very strict regimen on how the poisons board handles issues of serum, which is used for the treatment of people who've gotten snake bites. On top of that, Mr. Speaker, the medicines that help our people most, including malaria tablets, are mostly being attacked by the scrupulous capitalists that we have in our country who would like to make fake medicine and sell it to our hospitals. And therefore, Mr. Speaker, this statement is very weighty, and I hope that the committee that will handle it can begin to think, one, what is the best practice in other countries where they have succeeded in maintaining and controlling the use of drugs and pharmaceuticals. Number two, the other issue that, Mr. Speaker, that I think this committee should be engaged in is that in other jurisdictions and indeed other countries, there are certain basic medicines that the government actually produces. I don't know that in our country why we have never done this. If you go to certain jurisdictions, as I've said, you'll find they make malarials. They're very simple medicines which help our people treating some of these medicines that don't need referral cases. So, Mr. Speaker, I hope that we can have a proper way on how we can audit our pharmacies, where they are, their geolocations. And the other thing, Mr. Speaker, that has been quite amazing when we go out, especially with our Committee on Health, you'll find that you have individuals who are actually opening pharmaceuticals right outside the hospitals. And the reason for that, Mr. Speaker, is obvious. They want the owners of those pharmacies are the ones who are actually dispensing medicine from government health centers. Can we even agree that we create a standard so that some of those pharmaceuticals cannot be put or located within a certain radius of where we have those hospitals? And I think the committee seized of this issue, and I believe they'll come up with substantive way on how we can manage.
Senator